as is common with our spring times, which shows us where our weak spots are on our roadways. Last fall I kind of graded a ditch on the right hand side of this road going down here to the bottom of our lower area, and hillsides will slough off in the wintertime, and they did. And up here wasn't quite so bad, but down there below, that hillside really came off, and when a four-wheel drive truck with mud and snow tires gets stuck coming up, actually I got stuck going downhill one time, but it was getting stuck coming up the hill. It was time to bring the little Yanmar excavator down here and address that problem. I'm doing a little backwards grading here. Main reason is I can turn this excavator a little bit like that, and I can watch that edge of the blade there against the hillside. And thought I'd try it, and it seemed to work okay. There's still some ice along that bank. Everything underneath it's mud, so it breaks up pretty easily. So I'm going to have to quit on this just a little bit early. The material that I'm putting over there and kind of making a berm in that skinny part of the road, a lot of that's going down into the bottom parking area. And I have my little Dodge van down there, an equipment trailer, and I don't want to be messing those up. That Dodge van is, of course, the body for my snowcat, and just don't want to bury that stuff down there. So I'm going to quit for now, and it's supposed to rain, and I'm going to get back to this as soon as it dries up enough for me to do it. So be another video to finish this up probably. Look for that one.